welcome to another tutorial video. In this video we're going to be learning how to do another type of fabric brooch or fabric hair accessory, whichever way you tend to use it. If you're watching us for the first time, thank you very much for watching, and I would suggest that you subscribe if you've not done that already and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. As usual, we do different types of crafts, and I believe that if you subscribe you'll benefit a lot from this channel. Before we dive in, let me talk to you about Skilled Hands. So Skilled Hands is a small charity that is based in Nottingham, United Kingdom, and this charity empowers women through artisan craft workshops. So we run workshops on millinery, that is hat making, dressmaking, jewelry making, using beads, and bag making and soap making as well. We've done different projects, some of which we have tutorial videos on, and a number of them we do not have tutorial videos on. You'll have to be in our class to be part of it. In this class we also give you the tools and materials and everything that you would need for the project, but you would have to qualify to be able to access our services for free. You would have to be a stay-home mom, an unemployed woman, or a woman on low income living in Nottingham. Let's dive in. This is a perfect project when you have loads of scraps and you do not know what to do with it, but instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into something that can help you earn passive income on the side. So it's a beautiful project as well. I've gone ahead to cut my fabrics 12 pieces, 4 by 4 inches. And we are going to be doing the folds and stitch them together and finish them off beautifully into a brooch or a hair accessory. So the things you're going to be needing are fabric, your needle and a thread. Because I tend to use this for a brooch, I have a little safety pin here. I've run out of proper brooch pins, so I'll be using a safety pin that will do exactly the same thing. I also have a hair clip here. I'll just, for demonstration purposes, I have this over here, and then I have a brooch pin that is going to go over it to cover the hole in the center, and I have a little piece of leather that is going to cover the messy bit at the back of the brooch when we are done. You'd also need some glue gun, hot glue gun. If you have, that will be perfect for this project. So let's get on with it. I've gone ahead to cut my 12 pieces. Like I said, you're going to need 12 pieces of 4 by 4. What you're going to do next is to fold your piece into one half and then into the next half. You do this, turn it over, bring this on top of it here. Okay, when you've done that, you open it up and fold this onto it as well. Make sure you're lining up all the folds and then bring this as well onto it. So you should have it looking like that. Okay, I'm going to stick a needle into it. I'll do a second fold just so that you grab it well if you did not get it. Okay, so take your first fold onto it, take your second fold, okay, then your third fold comes like that, flip it over, do the fourth, okay, and then the fifth, all right, and then your sixth. So you're actually doing 6. You should have your folds looking like this in the end. I'm going to go off, do the rest of camera, and then come back, and then we do the stringing together. Okay, so we have all our 12 pieces folded beautifully. We're going to start stringing them up. So in the end, we're going to cut this bit off, the bit that hasn't got enough fold. So we're going to be stitching all of these layers here, that together. All right, so just put my needle quite close to the fold like that. Okay, and when you've done that, you can cut this bit off here. Okay, so I'm going to carry on stringing all of it. Look at how I'm doing it, and then you go the exact way. Okay, you make sure that all of them are about the same length. Okay, So when you've done that, you use the first one as a guide and then trim this one off as well. Okay, I'm going to carry on with all of them. Okay, just make sure you're getting them all on equal lengths, so at least you know exactly where you're going to be putting in your pin. Okay, so just about here, and then make sure you're catching on all the folds as well, so your pin, it goes through all the folds. When you've done that, you just cut this bit off. I'm going to go on, string all of them onto the piece and bring it back here. Okay, so this is what we have. All 12 is on it now. I'm going to bring the two ends together like that so that we can stitch it close. So this is going to come here as we pull everything together. And try and lock it in here. All right, so this is what we have here. Instead of using the leather for the back covering, I'm using interfacing. So I've cut one circle shape and one small square shape. It's just to do it the size that will cover your holes. I'm not actually going to be giving you a definite size for your circle. Okay, when you finish covering it, just cut a piece. That will be enough to cover the little mess over there. Okay, so this is what we have with our safety pin going in. I don't know if you can see it. I did a small circle and then I did a little kind of rectangle shape to stick this piece together with my hot glue. I also have my lovely brooch, pearl brooch, metal piece on top of it. So I'm just going to close this up and we are done. Okay, so this is what we have in the end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell. That's the only way you get to know whenever a new video is uploaded. Until we meet again, have a lovely day.